Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure both devices can see each other on the same network, and you sign into the same Microsoft account on phone and PC. Once done, open Phone Link on your PC and the companion app on your phone. Follow the in-app pairing flow and accept permissions. Make sure to allow notifications, SMS access, and storage. These let apps show content and transfer files. If prompted, enable background activity so the connection stays active when the phone sleeps. Once connected, navigate to the apps or phone screen area to see installed applications. Click an app to open it in a resizable window. Use your mouse and keyboard to tap, scroll, and type. This feels like running the app on your PC. To move content, drag files into the app window or use copy and paste for text and images. It's faster than emailing yourself. If an app needs notifications, make sure the permission was granted earlier, so real-time updates appear on your PC. To finish, tweak audio and notification settings and resize app windows for a comfortable workflow. This improves responsiveness. If an app won't load, sign out of Phone Link and the phone companion, then sign back in or restart both devices to clear transient errors. Make sure battery-saving modes aren't blocking background activity and allow Phone Link through your firewall. One key troubleshooting tip: if the app list is empty, re-enable storage and notification permissions on the phone, then reconnect. This usually restores full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.